What is going on, everybody? It is the Naughty Investor here, coming at you with another video. In today's video, we're talking about Bitcoin, right? Bitcoin. As of late, Bitcoin has been experiencing quite the rally. We are up so much in the past few days. We've seen a pretty decent rally, and there's a ton of different reasons possibly for that. One of which is the impending Bitcoin ETF. Now, a lot of people are hoping the SEC is going to approve a Bitcoin ETF soon. I do think the SEC is going to be approving a Bitcoin ETF, but I don't think it's going to happen this year. I think what's going to happen is they're going to postpone the date, which really isn't bad news, but it's not good news either. But they're going to postpone the date until 2019. Okay, that's my prediction for the SEC in Bitcoin ETFs, but I do think one is coming. And of course, a Bitcoin ETF, easy billions of dollars more will come into Bitcoin's market cap. Easy. Now, another thing to note is that Bitcoin fell below mining cost. Okay, so historically, whenever Bitcoin falls below mining cost, it always bounces back. It just does. It's kind of like a semi-floor or semi-support. It's the closest thing to a actual support level with Bitcoin, moving away from just psychological levels. And gold is very similar. Gold has a cost of mining, and gold very rarely will go under that, because when it does go under that, the bulls go and buy it up and the price goes back up. So Bitcoin was trading below its cost of production as far as like energy and things like that and mining goes, and now we are witnessing a pretty decent bounce back. Another thing to note that is very important is Coinbase. Coinbase, love them or hate them, is doing some good for the cryptocurrency market as a whole. They are starting a PAC, a political action committee, to go out there and kind of push pro-crypto candidates. That could get some enthusiasm for some more crypto bulls. Another thing Coinbase is doing is they are looking to they're actually becoming a custodian. So what a custodian is they will be in charge of whoever they choose to partner with in regards to if there is a Bitcoin ETF, and they will be acquiring, this is actually recent news, they will be partnering with a hedge fund and offering them institutional services. So Coinbase custody also could be instilling some confidence back into the crypto market. But overall, I think it's just we're ready for a bull run. It will not be surprising to me if we have a bull run right now. I'm not saying it's definitely going to happen. Could we go back down again and then bull run? It's possible. You know, crypto is a long-term game, and again, we had a huge run up last year, and again, in recessions and, you know, corrections could last years, you know, at least a year. But I definitely think there's a better chance of us having a bull run relatively soon versus later, simply for the reason we've had a 70% correction, right? That's a huge correction. We've basically triple bottom. We've shown signs of support at the $200 billion crypto market cap. So that is our general support level as far as total market cap goes. But for Bitcoin alone, I think the support level is at 5,700. And I think if we could get to 10K, it will definitely instill a ton more confidence back into the crypto market. Now, lastly, a thing I wanted to mention was a few months ago, I made a prediction about how the next bull run will come, and that was that the money will hit Bitcoin first, and then it'll drip into the altcoins. And I think that's what we're seeing. We see Bitcoin rising right now, while altcoins are basically stagnating and even going down a bit. I don't think that's going to continue. I think once more buying pressure gets into Bitcoin, that is going to trickle down into the altcoins, and we're going to see some major gains in the altcoin market. I'm talking Ethereum, XRP, Litecoin, Monero, Zcash, a ton of different altcoins out there that you should own, because you should be having a diversified portfolio. Anyways, end of my little ranty type video. I know I didn't have a specific topic, but I just wanted to give my thoughts on the market as a whole. Right now, I'm feeling fairly bullish. I would say I am cautiously bullish, okay? So thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed it, leave a like, subscribe, share the video, and I will see you next time. Peace out.